In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable test mode in Shopify Payments. If you've been using test mode to simulate orders and make sure everything works properly, that's a great first step. But before you start accepting real payments from customers, you need to turn that test mode off. In Shopify, this is usually done through something called the bogus gateway, which is Shopify's built-in test payment provider. Let's walk through exactly how to disable it so your store can go live with real transactions. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main admin page, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu item labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. The settings area is where you manage the behind-the-scenes configuration for your store, including your payment providers. After you click Settings, a new page will open with a menu running along the left-hand side. From this left panel, find the option labeled Payments and click it. This will take you to your payment settings, where you can see which payment methods are currently active or in test mode. At the top of the Payments page, you should see a card or a box labeled for testing Bogus Gateway. This is the test payment gateway that allows you to place fake orders without charging real cards. On the right side of this Bogus Gateway card, there will be a button labeled Manage. Click on the Manage button to open the detailed settings for this test gateway. Now you're on the page that shows the information for the Bogus Gateway. Scroll down until you reach the bottom right corner of this page. Here, you'll find a button labeled Deactivate. This is the control that will turn off the test mode gateway. Click the Deactivate button. When you click it, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up will let you know that your account details for the bogus gateway will be saved, and that you can reactivate it at any time if you need to run tests again later. This is helpful if you want to test changes in the future without setting everything up from scratch. To confirm that you really want to turn off test mode, click the Deactivate button again at the bottom right of the pop-up. Once that's done, the bogus gateway will be disabled, and your store will no longer be in test mode. You're now ready to set up or use your real payment provider so customers can check out with actual payments.